Hey, this is Jim coming at you live with another segment of the Real Estate Expert.Online. Today we're going to talk about capitalism and how many people are just struggling trying to figure out how to make it in life, and they just don't want to work. I don't understand why people feel like they don't have to work to earn a paycheck, and things of that nature. So we interviewed quite a few people, and this is what they had to say.
Like, I don't want to do anything to make money. I don't want to.
I just find it so terrible that at the young age of 23, I'm ready to check out. Like, I don't want to do anything at all. I don't want to work because my money's not mine. I don't want to go to school because I feel like I'm getting a degree for somebody else. Like, I don't want to do anything. And I feel like that's so sad.
Having my regular meltdown and realizing I'm never going to escape capitalism. And I'm just going to be a cog in the machine of productivity for my whole life. So,
You know that numb feeling that you have now? Like that sense of ambivalence? Like you're kind of just going through the motions?
And pretending like this is just life. I was at work today and I said, I can't believe that our parents and our grandparents and everybody else before them worked
And go to work.
What's wrong with capitalism? The first question. Well, on one level, and this may strike you as a bit contradictory, nothing's wrong with it. And what do I mean? I mean that it's working the way it always has. It is pursuing profits. The people who own and operate the businesses of the United States, the factories, the offices, the stores, are looking to make a buck. They're doing business the way they always have.
Wow, right? I just can't believe the responses that I get from the people that were interviewed and talked about, not wanting to work, don't want to, earn any money for themselves. I think they're just stuck. They just don't have any direction. If you're in a situation you don't like, you change it. That's what you do. You surround yourself with people that are successful doing the things that you want to do. And I've been an entrepreneur for many, many years, and I've just always been programmed to get what I want, figure out a better life for myself. Working for a paycheck is just not something I wanted to do. I wanted to, work and do something I love to do. And, the old saying goes is if you find something you love to do, you never have to work a day in your life. So love to get plugged into people, give them some sense of direction, and getting them to invest their monies into something where the money works for you. So please check me out down below. Love to hear some comments from you as well. Your personal struggles. We'd love to get you plugged into, some mentorship, some personal growth and development to help guide you through the struggles that you're having. People today coming across where they don't want to work, they don't want to work for a paycheck, they feel like they're in this, system they can never get out of. It's just not true. You just have to surround yourself with better people and educate yourself to get yourself in a better position. So I hope you enjoyed this segment. I appreciate you stopping by. Again, please subscribe to my channel below, share the video, and would love to hear back from you. And until then, folks, make it a great day. Bye for now.